Hey guys, welcome back to Blaze Artists. Okay, we will have now acoustic guitar. This now is the instrument we are using. You can. This is not inside the LMS. LMMS. You need to go to the stage, and here I click it here, and you need to download this DSK acoustic guitar. You can search it on the internet. Like this. This is the name. Acoustic guitar DSK for acoustic type. And there are many plugins. Also, you can visit this website, LMMS, for samples, presets, and more. And they have guitars. You can search guitar here. Also, I can download some WAP here. Acoustic guitar. Let's see their examples. And based on their example, we can make some other kind of sounds. Vibe guitar, strings, except I don't know what kind of this. I only know the WAV and other formats. And we have bass guitar. Okay, let's open the KDSK guitar. Okay, let's see how can we make some sounds here. Strums. Let's start with A. Four chords. One, A, B. Okay, this is the chords. Okay, this is low. Okay, and we have, let's add here. We can experiment with this. Let's make it 164. And we will, make some strums here. Okay, look at this, guys. Okay, we will move this. This is like, okay, wait. It's like strumming down. Okay, so I will control the volume. Okay, strum down. Okay, also on the other side, we will have this. Okay, this is complicated, guys. You need to study. Okay, and this one, let's try it going up. Okay, let's separate again. This is up, down. Okay, you can experiment, guys, and I will play the other strums that I download. Let's see. Okay, it should be. Okay, let's see. Okay, make it. Okay, let's see. Let's put it together. You can delete, guys. Right click. Okay, let's see. Okay, be careful, guys. On you can change the keys if you go want to go up. Or let's make a pattern. Okay, you can select here. Select mode. This is select mode. You can copy this. Control C and Control V. Okay, and this. Let's play. Okay, it sounds awful. Okay, but we could experiment here. Hmm? Okay, wait. Unfortunately, there's no undo here. Erase mode only. Okay, you can copy. Control V. Okay, you can experiment, guys, but this is okay. It sounds so bad. This is day 3. Okay, so you can experiment with the chords. You can make it octave. Control A. Okay, major. Okay, if you want to move this, okay, we can move it here. Okay, adjust the key. Okay, let's open some plugins we download. Okay, let's go to the download. Wait, let's check. Let's import some. Is it MIDI? Can we import some? Okay, instrument here. So I download some examples. Let's hear. So this one, since there's no sounds, we can change the instrument here. Okay, you can go here again, Vestige and VST. Okay, open the VST. So let's play the sounds. The sound is so low. Volume.